Hello, hi, good morning students. Once again welcome to my channel Classic Physics. So in this session we are going to understand about the topic is electric current. What is electric current? The rate of flow of charges in a conductor. So that we call it as the electric current. Okay. So how to write mathematically electric current is equal to electric current is equal to charges divided by time taken. So how to write the in symbols? What is a how to represent symbol electric current that is represented as the I and charge is Q and time is T. How to derive the SI unit this one? Charge is coulomb and time is second. So what is the SI in coulomb per second is the ampere. So ampere is equal to coulomb per second. So this is the SI for the electric current. Whether it is scalar quantity and a scalar quantity or a vector quantity, it is a scalar quantity. Why? Because it don't has any direction, only it has the magnitude. So that's why it is a scalar quantity. Suppose they are given q value and t value, we can calculate the I. Suppose they are not given the q value. So they are only given I and t. What is the formula? So first formula is I is equal to q divided by t, and second formula is q is equal to I into t, and third formula is t is equal to q divided by I. So these are the three different formulas to find out the current, charge and the time. So now we are going to solve some problems based on these formulas. So before we are going to solve these problems, we need to convert some of the factors. So what is 1 millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter is 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter, suppose, and also 1 micro coulomb they are given. How to convert coulomb? So 1 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb, and they are given current in terms of ampere. 1 milliampere means how to write 1 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. So like this we have to convert. Millimeter means 10 power minus 3, micro means 10 power minus 6, centimeter means 10 power minus 2. Suppose they are given 1 minute. How to convert into this one into seconds? You should multiply 1 into 60 seconds, that is 60 seconds. Suppose they are given 1 hour means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes into 60, here it is 3600 seconds. We are always converted into all units into fundamental quantities, that is meter, second, like that. You should convert. After that only you should substitute and solve the problems. Now solve one problem based on the current first equation. Observe carefully step by step. Suppose they are given data like this. So first initially I am taken simple values. Q is equal to, they are given some 100 coulomb, and time is equal to, they are given 10 seconds. Here you should calculate the I. What is the formula? First you should write the formula. I is equal to Q by T. Substitute. Q is 100 coulomb and time is 10 seconds. 10 ones are 10 tens are. So here what is the answer? 10 coulomb per second or 10 amperes. So this is how calculate the current in a conductor or the wire. So of the charges flowing is 100 coulomb and the time is taken from the 10 seconds. Then we can calculate like this. Suppose they are given current. So data should be given like this. Current is equal to some 10 amperes they are given. Time is equal to, they are given 1 minute. So here you should convert this one first. Q is equal to question mark. First here convert 1 minute is equal to 1 into 60, here 60 seconds. Now substitute the formula. What is the formula? Q is equal to I into T. So I is what? 10 into 60. Here 60 zeros and 60 ones are here 600 coulomb. So this is how we have to calculate the charge. So last final one is there. How to calculate the time? They are given Q value and the current value means, so another example we will see. So first write down what is the data they are given. Q is equal to, they are given some 600 coulomb, and I is equal to, they are given 6 amperes. Here we should calculate the time. What is the time it will take in a conductor of the wire? So what is the formula? T is equal to Q divided by I. So T is equal to 600 divided by 6. Here it is 100 seconds. So this is how I have to calculate the problems on the electric current. So how to define electric current? Electric current can be defined as the flow of the charges in a conductor. That one we call it as electric current. What is the mathematical formula? I is equal to Q by T. Suppose you need to calculate Q means Q is equal to I into T, and R you need to calculate time means Q divided by I, and also you solve this some of the basic problems, and also you need to convert, how to convert some basic I am also given some extra information how to define 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to what? 1 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay, this you should remember. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe.